Hello.
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 Very good evening.
Good evening. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Fantastic. Let's get started. So, could you pronounce your name for me once?
Mantu Nayak.
Okay. Hi, Mantu. I am Kanishk, and I'll be your English instructor for the day. I'll be guiding you through some variety of verbal exercises,
Yeah,
vocabulary exercises, and all these things that can help you become a better speaker of the language. Okay.
yeah, you should.
So before we get started, could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Montu, and I am from Odisha, Kalahandi.
Mm-hmm.
And I have completed graduation, and I have completed city training, teacher training.
Oh, nice, nice.
Due to
Is
lockdown, I
that?
am
Mm-hmm.
due to
Tell me.
due to, due to lockdown, I am at home right now.
Okay. What subject do you teach?
What's up?
What subject?
Subject. Yeah, DLED course means it's a primary level teacher training.
Oh, okay. I did not know that. Nice. And what field did you graduate in?
Arts. I am an art
Nice,
student. Yeah.
nice. So, what is your favorite subject in arts?
My favorite subject was in arts was political science.
Political science. That's nice.
After completing graduation, I was preparing for a competitive exam, and in
Mm-hmm.
competitive exam, math was my favorite subject.
Oh, that's fantastic. I also like maths a lot. It's one of my favorite subjects as well.
Yeah.
But more on political science. Why do you like political science so much?
Because political science it will be profitable for preparation IAS.
Nice. Smart. I can see that. So, would you like to comment a little on the current political state of our country?
Sir,
Could you tell me a little bit about what your thoughts are on the current political state of our country?
political.
Yes.
Listen, sir. After lockdown, I am not touched with the subject because
Okay.
now I am at home. But when I was preparing competitive exam, I was in a town in our district,
Okay.
a large town, and I was preparing there. But
Okay.
from lockdown, I came to my house, and now uh, outside environment is different, and environment of home is different.
Definitely. 100% I agree. So okay, that's fair. That's fair. How is the situation
Sir,
of. Mhm.
sir, but
Tell me.
you did not tell me from where are you?
Oh, I'm from Delhi, North India.
Delhi,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. So, what is the situation of COVID-19 at your place? How is it
Yeah,
like there?
it's very critical in our area. Every
Hmm.
day cases are increasing,
Yes,
and
definitely.
state government has declared uh, weekend shutdown.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
weekend shutdown on every Saturday and Sunday.
Every Saturday and Sunday. Okay. How is your family? I hope everybody's fine in your family and
My
everybody's safe.
family is all are
Nice,
fine.
nice. So, do you think this lockdown, this weekend lockdown, will help decrease the number of cases?
Yeah. No.
Okay,
Uh, it will be not benefit. If we lock down for 2 days, then what will be benefit? No. If we
definitely.
if we will lock down for 1 month, 15 month, that will be
Mhm.
benefit. I think.
Definitely. So let's come to English now.
Yeah.
Growing up in your school, in your college, did you have English as a subject?
Yeah. In Odisha, I am from a regional medium school.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. English is a second language in our Odisha.
Okay. So that means you are very familiar to tenses, grammar,
I know
vocabulary. Am I
little
right?
bit, yeah, I know a little bit about grammar, but when about talking, I got perplexed,
Okay.
and
You get
I,
perplexed when it
I
comes to
yeah,
speaking.
I
You,
feel
you
anxiety. Why I
okay.
feel anxiety while talking to others? That's my problem. So
I
how
see.
can I, yeah, how can I overcome this situation?
Okay. No worries. We will get to that very soon. But before we jump right into that, do you have any other, even minor problems that you would like to mention?
Minor problem.
This is a this you see this is your big issue that when it
Yeah,
comes to speaking in front of people, you get confused and you
yeah,
cannot speak much. But do you
yeah, yeah.
also feel any minor issue that you would like to tell me? Any small thing would
And
do.
yeah, yeah. At the talking time, words does not come in my mind at a time. So it's my
Okay,
problem.
okay,
So how I can solve this problem?
okay. First of all, I'll be honest with you. This is a problem that persists with a lot of people.
Yeah,
Even
yeah,
today, sometimes when I'm talking to my superiors, I feel nervous. It is very natural to feel nervous. Okay. So what we do is whenever somebody asks us anything, okay,
yeah,
and we have to reply in English, what
yeah,
we do is we take a second's pause and we
yeah,
calm ourselves down.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
If we are not nervous anymore, if we are calm, the confidence in our answer, the quality of our answer, it increases by tenfold.
yeah,
Okay? And once we are no more nervous, then we start speaking.
yeah,
That is how beneficial that 1 second pause is. And also, during that 1 second pause, I want you to make some mental points about what you are going to speak.
okay,
Okay, only once you have those mental points will you be able to start your answer,
yeah,
right? So, how do we do that? You ask me something, I take a second's pause,
yeah,
I breathe out, and I have those points in my head ready, and then I start speaking those points.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay. Now, this takes a little time to practice a
yeah,
week, sometimes even 2 weeks if we are not able to practice enough. But
yeah,
once we get the hang of it, then it makes us unstoppable in public speaking.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, do you have an English environment in your house? People around you, do they talk in English?
No, no, in here no one is here, and so I choose the online platform is best platform to improve myself.
Definitely. You are here with us at Clappingo. We can see the way you speak, the way you present, and we
Yeah,
can
yeah,
talk about all of this at your own time. And just a
yeah,
15-minute session does not hurt anybody,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So, do you like to read any books or
Listen,
watch? Tell me, tell me.
listen to me. To improve myself,
Mhm.
how much time I should practice daily?
Daily.
Yeah,
See, this is not like running. This is not like exercising that you have to do for 1 hour every day.
yeah.
This is more like a habit.
Habit.
For example, do you drink water?
Yeah,
Right? So you drink water multiple times a day. Sometimes one glass, sometimes two glass, right? I have a bottle here with me all the time.
yeah,
Okay. Make that like English.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
How do you do that? Whenever you wake up in the morning, you tell yourself good morning. Talk to yourself in English.
yeah,
You must think in your head, right?
yeah,
Try thinking in English now. And once,
okay,
if you get stuck inside your brain, if you can't find words, push yourself. Say
yeah,
that okay, nobody is going to judge you because you are talking to yourself. Keep
yeah,
keep practicing, keep pushing yourself. Okay, that is what you do. So how much time to answer that? The more you talk to yourself, the lesser practice time you have to put in.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, and if you do not speak to yourself enough, if you do not practice it enough, then what happens is that we will keep telling you to read more books, we will keep telling you to read more articles. That
yeah,
is how it works, right? So that is why I was asking, do you like to read English books, watch English movies, or listen to English
yeah,
songs?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I I watch English movie, and there is a web series named Young Sheldon. I watched every day,
Mhm.
and the
I
doctor.
also like Young Sheldon a lot. It's one of my favorite shows.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh, which English movies do you usually see?
My genre is horror movie.
Horror movies, nice. Which horror movie have you seen recently?
I have I do not remember that movie. What was that movie? But today also I watched a movie.
Okay,
That movie name is it not come in mind. Let me remember.
no worries, take your time.
Um, Ghost in something I think.
Oh, okay,
Ghost
okay.
in Ghost in something has written. Yeah.
Okay, so did you enjoy that movie?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Do you usually keep the subtitles on when you are seeing these
No,
movies?
no, 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 no. I don't
But you
keep
are,
subtitle.
but you watch them in English and you can understand what they are speaking.
Yeah, but yeah, I focus on what he is saying. I focus. So
Nice, very
yeah,
nice. That means your listening skills are very nicely developed. Okay.
yeah.
So what you do is whenever you
But
are
now
talking
I
to
have
people,
to yeah. Now I have to develop my spoken skill.
exactly. But you know they work hand in hand. If you listen, only then you can speak good. So
Yeah,
what you do is whenever you're listening to somebody, listen to them actively and find out points from their words only which you can pick and reply to.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. So for example, I'm telling you about my day that I woke up in the morning, I watered my plants, I had some breakfast, and I went for a run. Then you can
yeah,
ask me what kind of plants do I have? You can ask me what kind of breakfast do I eat? These
yeah,
kinds of these are some examples of what active listening is.
yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
forming your reply while the person is talking.
yeah, yeah.
That is how you do it. Cool.
And
So tell me.
what should I do to improve my vocabulary skill?
To improve your vocabulary skills, first of all, obviously keep watching movies.
Yeah.
Okay, they will teach you a lot of phrases, a lot of sentences that will help you in the longer run. Secondly, I would recommend that you read something more. If you read books,
Yeah,
it
I read the Hindu newspaper daily.
nice, perfect. So what you do is you pick up a pen each time you are reading that newspaper and you underline the words that are new to you.
Okay, okay.
Okay, words that you do not know the meaning of. Then you go
Yeah,
to Google, type that word, find out the meaning.
yeah,
Then you press that speaker button and you listen to the word, how to pronounce it. That is very
yeah.
important. And
Yeah,
then last,
there is a very good app for vocabulary. I have also downloaded
Mhm.
vocapture. Vocapture.
Yes, vocapture is also a good app. What you do is, yeah, once you know the meaning of the word, you know how to pronounce it. Now,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
most important part of this exercise is to form a sentence with that
yeah.
word.
Wow.
Okay, this is like you told me that you like mathematics, right? So mathematics has a lot of formula, right?
Yeah,
We have to remember all of them. These
yeah,
words are just like those formulae. If you just remember them and do not make sentences, you will not be able to use them when the time comes.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Exactly like that. So make sure that you're forming sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Now, let me tell you a little bit about what happens here with our learners. Before each session, every learner is provided with a document, some material that they can go through before the session starts.
Yeah,
Okay, what happens is that it contains some questions, some topics to talk about. Also,
yeah.
it contains really nice and consolidated vocabulary.
Vocabulary.
These words are related to the topic, and they are a big variety of words that you can just go through.
Good.
Also, and you know this is like a 10-page document only.
Yeah, yeah. This
And what
document is
happens?
this document is provided before the session start.
Yes, before the session start, in the sense that once you book an appointment with the speaker, you will
Yeah.
be provided with this document.
Oh, nice. Very
Okay,
nice.
you are also given some tenses in this to
Yeah,
revise your past, present, and future tense so that your overall development of English is unstoppable.
yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so before we end this session, I want you to quickly revise with me everything that we talked about today.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, first of all, we talked about your interests, my
yeah,
interests, our cities. We talked about the lockdown. We also talked just a little bit about politics, right? Next up, You told me your fears that you have when it comes to speaking in public. To that,
Yeah.
I told you that you need to, first of all, take a second's pause, calm yourself down, and then start speaking. And while that you are taking that pause, make sure you make mental points of what you are about to speak.
Yeah.
First thing. Second thing, you told me that you sometimes face issues with vocabulary, right? What to do now? Read more. And when you
Read.
read more, underline, find meanings, find pronunciation, and make sentences. Making sentence is the most important part.
Yeah.
Okay? Even if you learn 2 words a day, that's fine. Just make sentences with them.
Yeah.
Okay?
How
Mhm.
I download the PDF, the Hindu PDF through the mobile.
Nice, nice. Oh,
Yeah,
then you
here
can
is
write the word
the
somewhere.
newspaper is not available in hard copy, so I read it on soft copy.
No worries. You are very technologically intelligent. I can see that. So
Yeah.
just take a notebook and write that word somewhere. Simple,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
right? That will
Oh,
also give you a nice list of the words that you have to revise when the time comes,
okay.
right?
Okay.
Nice. So I think that is enough.
Yeah.
You have a really nice grip on the language. You just need some polishing. That is what I feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, some basic help with sentence formation and you are done. I'm telling you, you're almost there.
Yeah.
So that's almost it. Your feedback, your revisions, everything is done for this session. Do you have
Yeah.
any questions for me?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, thank you very much for joining and
And,
welcome to Clap and Go.
and it was a nice session with you.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad you enjoyed.
Me too.
Have fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.